Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Namecheap to Netlify. So the first step that you have to do is to log into your Namecheap account at namecheap.com. So from there, just navigate to domain list in the left sidebar. And then just find the domain that you want to connect. So to Netlify and then click manage next to it. So just select the Advanced DNS tab to access a DNS record management, and you will see the current DNS configuration for your domain. So you can clear any conflicting records if necessary, but keep essential ones like email records, so like this one, like the MXTXT or SPF or DKIM. Next up is to add required records. So if Namecheap's Advanced DNS, you can click on the Add New Record and then add a record with host at root domain, pointing to 75.2.60.50. So the Netlify's load balancer, this is the IP. So you can also add a CNAME record with host www pointing to your Netlify subdomain, like for example this one, yoursite.netlify.com, .app, and then you can set TTL to automatic or 1 minute for faster DNS propagation. So just remove any conflicting CNAME records for at and www to avoid issues, and then save all changes. Next is to link domain to site. So log into your Netlify account at app.netlify.com and then select your site from the sites list. So go to the site settings, tap on the domain management, and then click add custom domain and then enter the Namecheap domain, like for example this one. So Netlify will prompt you to verify ownership and then detect DNS configuration. So click on verify DNS configuration to check if records are set up correctly. So Netlify automatically handles both root and www versions. Next step is to secure your domain. So in the Netlify's domain settings, you can scroll to the HTTPS section and then click on verify DNS configuration if not already done. So once the DNS is verified, you can click on the provision certificate to generate a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for your domain. So this process is automatic and usually takes a few seconds to minutes. So enable force HTTPS to redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS automatically. So your site will not be accessible via secure HTTPS. Lastly is to confirm successful connection. So you can visit your domain in a web browser to verify it loads your Netlify site correctly. So you can test both HTTPS to secure SSL is working and force HTTPS redirects properly. You can also check your www domain to confirm the www subdomain works. And then you can also use DNS checker tools like dnschecker.org to verify global DNS propagation. So in Netlify, you can check site settings, tap on domain management for Netlify DNS is live, confirmation. So your domain is now successfully connected. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!